If you want to search for a song on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, what you can do is you can, for example, press and hold your finger on the home button or the navigation bar, depending on the type of navigation that you use, to activate Circle to Search. And the reason why you might want to activate Circle to Search is simply because we have the song search option over here. So if you tap on this music note, then you activate the song recognition feature, and then if there is any song being played in the background, then Google might be able to pick it up, and then you can get Google search results actually with the song title and of course the artist. Now if there is no song being played, you can still play the song by yourself. You can also try to sing it or hum it if you remember how it goes. And besides that, instead of activating a Circle to Search, you can add a shortcut to the quick settings panel if it's just convenient for you. So you can tap on this pen in the upper right corner, then we're gonna choose Add a Control. And then in here we need to find the song search option. Sometimes you can find it here at the top, so if you manage to find it, that's great. If not, then you might need to scroll down to try to find it here below. And you should be able to find it somewhere over here, I believe, although I'm not. There we go, here in System Apps, you should definitely be able to find it. So if you don't have it at the top, you can find it there. And I'm gonna press and hold my finger on this shortcut, and then we can either add it here to anywhere into this section, or you can add it to this expandable area. So then you can just simply tap on this shortcut to immediately activate the same feature. So now, as you can see, you don't really have to activate Circle to Search. You can just go to Quick Settings and then turn it on just like that, or open it. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.